Why won't you answer my calls?
What? I didn't know you called.
What's going on?
That's none of your business.
Yumi and Suho should talk things out.
I have nothing to say. He's looked down on me since the moment we met. He's never even thought of me as a friend to begin with. He probably just thought of me as his minion who just tags along.
Сколько бы я не просил, но ты же знала, что меня теряла. Я босиком по стеклам бегал так упрямо.
You're really pathetic, you know that? What are you gonna do about it?
Я бы упал, сделав последний вздох. И звезды мир на батаре, как будто до меня. Я каждый раз, когда